baby.
Hi everyone, it's Donatella and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing phone cases, and I'll also be showing you other cute phone cases that I get. And this is from eBay and this is from Amazon. And all of my other phone cases are from eBay too. And I always get like kawaii kind of phone cases, like of different anime characters and just like cute different things. So I'm gonna show you this new one that I just got. And the phone case that I got looks like a camera, like a retro camera, and it also comes with a little lanyard to hang it. So here's the front of it, and I got it in the rose gold color to match my phone. And here's the back. So here is the first phone case, the camera one, on my phone, and I have an iPhone 7 Plus, and it fits pretty well. It's sturdy, and there's different colors, and I got this one, the rose gold, to match my phone. And here it is. It is of Got7. Oh, something came out. It is, oh, it came with a little charm. Let's look at that. So here's the little charm that it came with. And this is the same image of the phone case that I bought. From left to right is Jin Young, Bam Bam, Mark, Jackson, and he's my bias, JB, Young Jae, and Yugyeom. Here's the phone case, and the image is really clear, and the case is pretty sturdy. It will give good protection to your phone. And I'll show it to you how it looks like on my phone too. Here's the Got7 phone case. It's really cool, and I don't know if you could tell, but it's kind of like glittery. And it's pretty sturdy. It won't harm your phone. It was really easy to put on. And then you don't have to worry about the picture coming off, because if you could see up close, it's not a sticker. It won't peel off or anything. See, I could scratch it and nothing happens. It's really sturdy and I love this phone case. Now I'm going to show you my other phone cases that I have. So when I first got my phone, this was the first case that I got with it. It's just an OtterBox, and it comes with a built-in screen protector. But I haven't really used this lately because on my phone I already put another screen protector to use different phone cases. But this is really good and has good protection. The next phone case that I got is of no face. And it's more like a rubber material, but I feel like that it's pretty comfortable when I have it on my phone. And I've dropped my phone with it before and nothing happened to my phone, so it's pretty good with protection. I've had it for a while, so it kind of chipped off there. And it's really cute, and I got it for like $2 on eBay. I'll put the links below to where I got my phone cases, but they're all pretty cheap. Here is the no face phone case. That rhymed. And it's really, really cute. Another phone case that I got is of this cat. This Japanese cat, and it has a little kitty on the top too. So when I have my phone, there's a little kitty looking over it. The only thing is that this phone case is like pretty thin. If you could see, like I could fold it. Just gotta be careful with your phone, but I really like it and I use it a lot. And I just love how cute it is. Hi. And also, it's very easy to put on, easy access to the volume and to the lock button. And it has this kitty on the top that is looking over to the front of your phone. And now, the final phone case that I will show you is of Totoro. I also got this on eBay, and it's like a rubber material, but it's really sturdy, and it's really big too. So if you have a big phone, it's a lot. As you could see in my hand, it's pretty big. But it gives good protection and it's really cute. And his whiskers on the side. See, it has his ears, his whiskers, and it's a pretty thick phone case. Easy access to the volume and to the lock buttons. It's easy to put on. And it secures the phone very well, like the sides right here are pretty sturdy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here are all of the phone cases again together. And I'm hoping to get more soon because they're super cute and I just love these kind of phone cases. And also stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to have a surprise because I finally reached 100 subscribers, which is so exciting. So thank you very much for subscribing, and please like and share this video. And thank you guys so much. got7 Case, love you guys. Boop.
웃어주면 난 말할 게 없으니 넌 아무도 바꾸지 마